Learning cello online is really easy if you have the right professor that has the ability to transfer the knowledge to you. On your side, all you need to join my studio is a well-lit area, a dedicated device like a phone or a tablet or a computer, and lastly, of course, a strong, reliable internet connection. What's important about your Skype lessons is not only having a professor that can transfer over the knowledge via the screen, which I have over 4 years of direct experience every single day doing this, except Sundays. But also, you need to have someone that has the technological capacity to do this seamlessly, quickly, and professionally. For instance, in this camera, we have the ability to see the level of our hand and our elbow, which I was just demonstrating with a student playing Fehejaka. So let's look at that video right now. To place your finger in the correct area and then maintain that form, so you have to move less. We're not moving. Notice what I'm doing. As I'm playing the si bemol, even though I'm not using any finger, I am just playing that one finger on that side, I'm remaining my first finger in the extension to the mi bemol. Sometimes I will pull up the music, and here we have the music right here. So we have the B flat major, and I will demonstrate with the fingerings what needs to happen. So I'll zoom in. This is now zoomed in, and I'm demonstrating here, like I just did with my student, the extension that she's been learning. So let's take a look at what this is in a real lesson. You can suspend the rule for the string crossings. But once you are on the same string, all fingers down. So every time you do a string crossing right here, and right here's a good example. We're going to play the 2. I would be remiss to tell you that all fingers are on the same string because my second finger remains on the C right here. Now it doesn't stop there because we also need to see what the bow is like. And this is where my last camera angle comes into play. And we have to demonstrate the bow technique. So as she was playing, I'm able to demonstrate to you proper bow technique. So let's see what that looks like in the context of an actual lesson. Because remember, as you said with the pen, you know exactly where to push, the pressure, the distances, and it's the same thing with the bow. If your hand is like this, you don't know where to push. You don't know, especially how to apply the pressure. The hand is like this, and the bow is applied like this. And even though that we are working on the left hand, it's still important to remember when we touch this bow, it is an extension of our arm. During our lessons, you will learn concepts that will help you play the instrument better. Here, I'm demonstrating a very important concept. Let go of the notes on the page, of the words on the card, and we want to play here and here, not there. So your exercise, if you want to do this 13 to the end, look at the music before. When you're ready, look down. Think about your bow. Think about your left hand. And when you need to, you will look up once at the music. And then if you need to have your eyes on the music until the very end of the song, then so okay. But it is preferred that you look back down. So you have one look, one up, one down. My appointment calendar is linked in the description below. You can click on it, and you know what is better? I will demonstrate what that's like. So here you have the appointment calendar. We have to find a time, so I'm going to find a time that fits my schedule, and you will see an area where to put your name. Your name will automatically show up, so I'm just putting my name there. In the where section, you will find an area that has the links to prepay for the lesson. When you have made your payment, I suggest placing the date of payment and the transaction ID. And in the description area, please put something about yourself so we can expediently address your concerns and get you further along your journey of cello discovery. My studio is international. I teach students from Asia, South America, South Africa, which is Africa, Australia, Europe, and the North American continent. Anyway, I want to thank you for watching this video, and if you learned something, leave a like, consider subscribing, and of course, share this video with anyone who is honestly and earnestly looking for a cello teacher but simply cannot find one. Because you may not even know that your next cello lesson is just at the push of a button or a touchscreen. Thanks for watching my video today. Here is more content on the channel that you might find interesting, and I hope you continue to enjoy this beautiful cello that you have and discover the wonderful world of music. I hope to see you one day online. Bye-bye.